What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm gonna show you how to read WhatsApp messages from another device. Let's say that you do have two iPhone devices or two Android devices or one Android and one iPhone device, and you wish to get access to all the messages which fall on the other device. I'm gonna show you how to synchronize, how to link both of the devices so you can actually get updates on both phones. This is useful in situations, for example, where you do have an office, a company, and you do have two workers switching at a specific role, or for example at the secretary at the entrance, right? So in that case, for example, you wish both of them to get access or updates of the client simultaneously on two phones. I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. Or whether you want to control your business by getting all the text messages on your phone at your home, I'm gonna show you how to do it in this video. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I do share a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, stuff like today's video, consider subscribing so you do not miss my next video. Now, jumping straight into today's video in here, I do have my WhatsApp account in here, which is this one, for example, and then let me pretend that I do have this secondary WhatsApp app in here, which is not set up. Let's say that this is my second phone, okay? So I want to link both of the WhatsApp messages on both phones so I can receive this messages on this phone. So it's quite easy, it's very, very simple, but make sure that you only perform this if you are actually eligible, if you have permission to get access to the other WhatsApp account. I do not recommend you guys to do this in case you want to do it for any malicious reason. If you want to spy somebody, this is not the right tutorial. I'm showing you a legal way on how you can do it and only use it for legal purposes. I'm not responsible for anything that may happen for you or to somebody else. That may happen to you or somebody else. Now, let me quickly hop into WhatsApp Business in here, my secondary WhatsApp. Tap on agree and continue. Here we go. Next up, let's tap on use a different number, and then let's tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Next up, simply tap on link as a companion device, and then you'll be brought to this screen where you do have a QR code in here. This is the very first phone in here with the QR. Now you want to open up your WhatsApp or your main phone, and then simply tap in here on settings. Next up, tap on link devices and tap on link a device. Now over here, you'll be able to see your camera launching and being able or ready to scan something. So now all you want to do is simply position this QR code in here that we have, okay, like the phone behind this one in here, so it can scan the QR code and the process will start immediately. Your phone will synchronize with the other one and everything will be linked and you're good to go. You can now get all updates in here on the secondary phone on real time without any issue. Now, whenever you wish to deactivate or remove that specific secondary device, simply tap on link devices on the main WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to see all the sessions or all the devices linked to your WhatsApp. So you simply want to select one and tap on remove or unlink to remove that specific device from your WhatsApp linked devices list. This is how you can actually link devices and get access to all messages in here on the other device. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.